Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to alphabetize in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so there are two ways how you can alphabetize in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So I'm going to demonstrate it to you via this project management sheet we have. And as you can see on this sheet we have all US states, and in the second column we have the population of those states. And as you can see, currently list of US states are not alphabetized, but they are sorted by their population. So let's say you want to alphabetize the list of US states, so it would start with Alabama, Arizona, and so on and so forth, and would end with Wyoming. So how we can do this? It's really easy to do. The first option is to use the sort feature in the column. So if you right click on the column you want to alphabetize, you will see sort sheet A to Z. So if you click on this, as you can see, it has alphabetized the list of US states. The problem is, if you scroll down, is that you can see that the state, which is the column header, has also been added to the list of US states. And we don't want to sort this column header for obvious reasons. So what we can do is we Ctrl Z or Command Z to undo this action. And in that case, if you have column headers, what you have to do is select the table you want to alphabetize, and then all you have to do is click on data and select create a filter. So we'll create a filter which you can use for filter down the list of states, but what we can also do is sort A to Z. So alphabetize the list of US states, and if we select sort A to Z, as you can see, Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, and so on and so forth. So we have successfully alphabetized the list of US states, and as you can see, the column header hasn't been added to the list. So all in all, this is how to alphabetize in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.